and then I can choose black or white.
Yeah, or pro.
When I saw it, I was so shocked.
It's a new one, so we haven't graded. I'm sorry.
You mean new MacBook or? Thank you very much. Oh, I see. I understand. Yeah. Like cafe's good, like the garden's good, and then all of a sudden, what? That's really good, yeah.
The pastry also nice.
What is nice?
Pastry.
Really? Okay. That's really, really important. Like when you have a good coffee and then when pastry is just not. Yeah, then I was just like, oh, we should haven't even ordered this, right? Yeah. Then I would just enjoy the coffee and then have a great memories with me. Yeah, I think one thing when I saw this place and then I was like, oh, I should go, was the look of cakes. I just look at it, and then sometimes you make banana bread or something. Like, yeah, you just show me. I think that was one of the photos on the Google Maps, probably. Yeah, I was like, they have something, and then that something's look really delicious. Okay, I think I'll go this place, even if it's far. Yeah. How long you been back in Thailand? Really? Okay. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, stay in Sydney for a bit. Yeah, but I went to Melbourne for like, I think 10 days trip, something like that. So I think
That's quite long trip.
Do you think? Yeah.
But just the city, because it's quite small.
That's true. Yeah, but I mean, if you go to the like 2 cafe, no 2 coffees a day. Like you can't really explore many, isn't it? Yeah, and a brunch and everything. Yeah, so I'm just like I always want to have a bit longer trip.
Yes, mini cafe.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I understand your twist now, because yeah, Australia they really use many like a little twist
Yeah.
in ordinary food. Yeah.
A lot of Asian live there. So like the pastry is like a bit of like twist of Asian and like
Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh, that's so surprising. The food represent the culture. Yeah. Sorry, where's water later? Damn. Even the ice is cute. Just can't believe this. Look at that scare eyes.
แก้ได้ครับมันเป็นอะไรอ่ะบอกได้ปะไม่ตรงครับผม
you have the gadget for
Gadget? Oh, you mean the
สแตน
Yeah, it's from Korea. Yeah, there's a place called Daiso. I think it's something like Miniso here. But I want something taller. Because I want this to be filmed from my like eyesight.
อ่า
Yeah.
ใช่ปะ
ปิดฝาอะไรก็ว่าไป
เอาเดี๋ยวเอาฝาไว้เลย
จริงๆอ่ะช่วยเทเลยก็ได้มีอันนี้อีก1 อันไม่เป็นไร
ก็ตักใส่กระบวยนี่นี่เท่าไหร่อ่ะเอาถ้วยมาด้วย
น่าจะสักแบบ이것도 진짜 너무 귀엽다. 화장실 문. 역시.
in the world one in US America right
Yeah.
and this one is Europe and Asia because I have a three main event
What else? What else do you have? What else do you sell? Do you also sell something?
This is like a t-shirt.
Oh, it's like a t-shirt. What does it say?
It's like selling coffee.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's the
It's like the design is like all the like the free shirts normally like put the names and like the numbers.
Really?
Copy the design of like all the free shirts that like try to sell the things and try to like marketing themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
in Thai style
Really?
Yeah, so
Oh, I
like
didn't
we
know.
like mimic that kind of like
Oh, I
style.
see.
To say like we are selling coffee and like you can call this numbers.
Yeah, but is that number actually bringing you?
it's a real number
Oh my god, really? What about the t-shirt that you're wearing now?
it's from my XXYY t-shirt
Oh, that's exactly.
yeah my friend it's actually she they is my friend my old friend
Yeah.
she designer
Yeah.
and open the coffee shop but she make thisอะไรเข้าไปดิ
ก็ตอนแรกเขาถามเธอบอกไม่ใส่
ไม่ใส่หรอกมั้ง
เดี๋ยวไปทำมาต่อซีเรียส
เหมือนมันก็จมของมันเอง
อ๋อ
กินได้ด้วย
น่ารักอ่ะ
เด็กครัวเชฟดีค่ะ อันนี้ก็ขายด้วยใช่ไหมคะ
มี R&D เหรอน้อง
กำลัง
ถ่ายรูปเร็ว
Yay, thank you very much. Oh.
When you on
Ah.
flight or something like